Welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy for the problem solving session in NEET Physics. Topic chosen today is from Chapter 4, Laws of Motion. And today is not problem solving session, problem questionnaire session. That is, 7 questions will be given in this session, and in next session we will solve the solution for this question. Let's move to question number 1. A particle moving with velocity v is acted by 3 forces shown by the vector triangle PQR. Velocity of the particle will dash. Option A, decrease. B option, remain constant. C option, change according to the smallest force QR. D option, increase. That is, here we should know the different forces acting in different direction, in different shape. By knowing the idea, you can find the solution for this question. Let's move to question number 2. An explosion breaks a rock into 3 parts in a horizontal plane. 2 of them go off at right angles to each other. First part of mass 1 kilogram moves with a speed of 12 meters per second. And the second part of mass 2 kilogram moves with 8 meters per second speed. The third part flies off with 4 meters per second. Then its mass is dash. A option 3 kilogram. B option 5 kilogram. C option 7 kilogram. D option 17 kilogram. Here you should know the formula for the law of conservation of momentum. And then there is a 2 forces. That is a 2 vector acting at 2 sides of the triangle or parallelogram law of vector, like that. By applying this law, you will get the solution for this question. Let's move to question number 3. A body under the action of force F equal to 6 I cap minus 8j cap plus 10k cap acquires an acceleration of 1 meter per second square. Mass of this body must be dash. A option 2 root 10 kilogram. B option 10 kilogram. C option 20 kilogram. D option 10 root 2 kilogram. That is, here you should know the relation between force, acceleration, mass in terms of vector rotation. By knowing the formula, you can solve this question. Let's move to question number 4. A player takes 0.1 second in catching a ball of mass 150 gram, moving with velocity of 20 meters per second. The force imparted by the ball on the hands of the player is dash. A option 0.3 Newton. B option 3 Newton. C option 30 Newton. D option 300 Newton. Here you should know the relationship between that impulse formula. That is the difference between the masses, time, and then force. By knowing the formula, you can solve this question. Let's move to question number. Ball of mass 150 gram moving with an acceleration 20 meters per second square hit by a force which acts on it for 0.1 second. The impulsive force is dash. Option A 0.5 ns. B option 0.1 ns. C option 0.3 Newton into second. D option 1.2 Newton into second. Here you should know the formula for impulsive force. By knowing the formula, you can solve this question. Let's move to question number 6. With a force on a rocket moving with a velocity of 300 meters per second is 345 Newton. Then the rate of combustion of the fuel is dash. A option 0.55 kilogram per second. B option 0.75 kilogram per second. C option 1.15 kilogram per second. D option 2.25 kilogram per second. Here you should know the formula for the Newton's law. Newton's second law formula, the d by dt of ma in the mass is set variable. Using that formula, you can find. Let's move to last question. 2 bodies of mass 4 kilogram and 6 kilogram are tied to the ends of a massless string. The string passes over a pulley which is frictionless. The acceleration of the system in terms of acceleration due to gravity g is dash. Option A g by 2. Option B g by 5. C option g by 10. D option g. Here you should know the relationship between the acceleration with respect to the masses. By knowing this, you can solve this. Okay, thank you, students. In next session, we will see how to solve the solution of this question. Thank you.